Here is a prototype of my stove temperature monitor alarm. Now I'm going to turn it on. The alarm you're hearing is the low temperature alarm. It sounds if the temperature drops below 200. I'm going to silence it by pressing these two buttons. Now I'm going to use a lighter to heat up the thermocouple probe. As you can see, the temperature on the display is rising. Now it's past the 200 and the low temperature alarm is off. When it reaches 350, the high temperature alarm will sound. There it goes. That's the high temperature alarm. The high and low temperature alarms can be set for any temperature you want. I just set them for 350 and 200 for a demonstration. Now the temperature has dropped below 350 and the high temperature alarm has stopped. Now the temperature is dropping down. When it drops below 200, the low temperature alarm will sound. You can use the low temperature alarm to signal when you need to put more wood in the stove. There's the low temperature alarm. Now I can silence that by pressing the two buttons here. The probe I just used is the thermocouple probe that would be used to go inside a stovepipe. I also have a magnetic probe which can stick on a stove on the surface like that.